Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I'm your teacher. My name is Hafidh Asmina. I will continue a second chapter of computer input and output devices. First, what is input and output device? Any machine that feeds data into a computer is called an input device. Any device that interacts to any system and allows you to enter the information on the computer. An input device is a hardware or peripheral device used to send data to a computer. An input device allows users to communicate and feed instructions and data to computers for corresponding display, storage and transmission. Next input device is mouse. A mouse is a hand-controlled pointing device which moves a pointer on a display. A mouse consists of an object held in one's hand with one or more buttons. A mouse often also features other elements such as touch surfaces and wheels. The mouse turns movements of the hand backward and forward, left and right, into equivalent electronic signals that in turn are used to move the pointer. Next input device is keyboard. A keyboard is a typewriter style device which uses buttons or keys to act as a mechanical lever or electronic switch. A keyboard typically has characters engraved or printed on the keys, and each press of a key typically corresponds to a single written symbol. A keyboard is a panel of keys that operate a computer or typewriter. Another input device is joystick. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the device it is controlling. The electrical two-axis joystick was invented by C.B. Merrick. The name joystick is believed to have been coined by a French pilot boat in Saul Peltry. What is an output device? An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment used to communicate the results of data processing carried out by an information processing system, such as a computer, which converts the electronically generated information into a human readable form. An output device is any peripheral that receives data from a computer, usually for display or projection. An output device is a piece of hardware that is used to output data that has been previously entered into a computer or similar processing device. Another output device is monitor. A monitor is a piece of computer hardware that displays the video and graphics information generated by the computer. A monitor usually comprises the display device, casing and power supply. The display device in modern monitors is typically TFT, LED or LED display, while older monitors used a CRT display. Another output device is printer. A printer is a peripheral which prints a human readable representation of graphics or text on a paper. The world's first computer printer was invented by Charles Babbage. The two most common printer mechanisms are black and white laser printed printers and color inkjet printers. Another output device is speaker. A speaker is a device which converts an electrical audio signal into a corresponding sound. Speakers are typically housed in an enclosure which plays an important role in the quality of the sound. The most widely used type of speaker today was invented in 1925 by Edward W. Kellogg and Chester W. Rice. Now we will move towards assignment. We have worksheets. Dear students, these worksheets are from your book. So do your worksheet on book. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.